G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and we're going to have a look at the City Water Protector, okay? Just changing the cartridges in it. It's a pretty simple one, little fiddly, but we'll have a look and we'll sort it out for you, okay? So button in either end, press it, lid's off, very simple, off with the top, okay? This is the diverter that's connected onto the kitchen sink tap. Pull it out, cold water flows to the water filter, okay? So it's done a few miles, you can see it's a little bit dirty, but a good one to give you a demo with today. Basically, water's flowing in from the kitchen sink tap, and it's coming in through the white connection, flows up. Here's our sediment cartridge here. Water flows through, takes all the sediment, lumps and bumps out of the water, and then cleans it up. Flows through there and goes to the cartridge underneath. It's a bigger, fatter cartridge, and the bigger, fatter cartridge here underneath, it's good to take out the chlorine and the chemical out of the water, okay? From there, you can see on this end, water does a U shape over to the other large cartridge on the bottom. This second large cartridge is our fluoride removal cartridge. And then from there, the water flows up to the top. On our last cartridge, chloramines out of the water, polishing the water up nicely. After the fluoride removal, polish it up nicely for us to drink. Basically from here, flows out the blue pipe here that was a bit stiff to come off, and out of the diverter into your glass for drinking, okay? Now, when you change the cartridges in this, you probably going to be, most commonly, people are going to be changing them all at once. So my thought is to get a texter. Just get a black pen and start here with the white connection where the water comes in and follow the water line, okay? And basically we're coming around and it's going to be point number 1. So we give it a 1. Water's flowing through the system to point number 2. It's flowing around and down into the bottom here. We'll just give it a 3 and a 4. From that chlorine cartridge, it flows across into our fluoride at 5, through the fluoride to 6, from the fluoride up into the last chloramine carbon, 7, and flows out at 8, okay? So we now just put a series of numbers all over that filter, and it's basically just so we don't mess anything up when we pull it apart and we know where we're going. So then I just have the cartridges next to me sitting on the bench, and we're going to pull them apart. If you're really serious, you can put little marks where your clips clip on just to get it right, but I'm sure once you've done these once or twice you'll get the hang of it, okay? So same with any cartridge, we've got the red clips on, we can just pull the red clips off. They come out very easily. Once the red clips are off, we're pulling out the water pipes, okay? Now to pull out the water pipe, we're basically got to press on the collar, okay? Press on the collar, the pipe pulls straight out. When we go to put them back together, we can just get them, press them in 1.5 centimetres, push them right in, they're locked in, red clip goes on, they'll never come out. But to get that blue pipe out, it'll never just pull out. You've got to push the collar in, all right? Push that collar in, it'll come straight off. If we don't push the collar in, you'll just never pull it off. Push the collar in, comes straight off. Happens the same with all of them. So we mark them up, sediment first, carbon second, and as we pull them off, we just change the cartridge, dispose of the old one, or put it out the road so you don't get them mixed up. They do have a direction of flow on them, so adhere to that and make sure that you've got the direction of flow in the right direction. But if you've numbered it 1, 2, 3, 4 through to 8, that is the direction of flow, okay? 1 to 2, water's flowing right to left. 7 to 8's going back, going the other way. So just take a look at the direction of flow and you'll be good to go, okay? So basically, get your cartridges ready, push them in 1.5 centimetres, and that's it. They're on there, they'll never pull out, okay? Strong as anything. Push on the collar, they'll come out very, very easily, okay? So I'll just put this one back in here together. Take it easy on the clips, don't squash your finger in them. Okay, there's a red clip, we'll just put that on there. Lock him into place. Yep, he's good. Needs one on there. Okay, so the city water protector, that's how we just change the cartridges over. Thanks very much.